So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making a very natural strong hair mask that will improve your blood circulation, encourage your hair to grow, stop your hair thinning and hair shedding. So what are our ingredients? We are going to be using a plain yogurt for our protein. This is our protein. This is the base for all our mixtures. You can use any protein. You can use avocado, you can use banana, but I am using natural plain yogurt for this. So I am going to be using my carrot oil. If you haven't seen my carrot oil video, how I made my carrot oil, I'm going to leave the video up here for you to check it out. This helps with hair growth and also helps to strengthen your hair and stop your hair from breaking. And what else are we using? We're going to be using my ginger and onions juice. This improves your blood circulation, stop your hair from shedding, reduce your dandruff, clean out your scalp and leave your scalp very healthy for a hair growth. And what else am I using? I'm going to be using my mint juice, my mint leaf juice. If you haven't seen how I made this video, girl, you need to check it out because this is the life. This have a good antiseptic properties that helps your hair to grow, or that helps to encourage your hair to grow. So these are all the stuff that I'm going to be using to make this powerful hair treatment, home remedy for hair growth. So first we are going to be taking our protein, which is natural yogurt. And second, I am going to be adding my carrot oil. I am going to be adding a little bit of my onions juice. I just added 3 small spoons of the onion juice. You don't need too much of it because this is very powerful. And then lastly, I am going to be taking a little bit of my mint leaf juice. I'm going to add a little more of my carrot oil because I like my deep conditioner to have a good oil. So that is our deep conditioner ready to be used. All we need to do is to apply this on our hair and leave it for about 30 to 40 minutes before we rinse. So I'm back from making my hair mask. After making my hair mask, I went to my bathroom and I washed my hair with a shampoo first. So I cleaned my hair, washed my hair with shampoo. Now it is time for me to start applying this hair mask on my hair. applying the hair mask on my hair, I am going to cover my hair and leave it for about 30 to 40 minutes, and then I will rinse it out with warm water. So this is it, guys. This is how I applied all over my hair. I'm going to leave it for 40 minutes and then I rinse it out with my favorite conditioner as well, and then warm water. So guys, thank you so much for stopping by to my channel. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.